Hi students, today we are going to start chapter wise specimen question for 12th standard. Today's chapter is differentiation part 2. In my previous class, we have done differentiation part 1. Now there are 8 questions which are important for ISC CBSE West Bengal board for 2020-2021. Let's start right now. Question number 1. Here y equals to this. You have to prove this. Now let's do y equals to dividing numerator denominator a square. 5x by a square means 5 tan inverse 5x by a over 1 minus 6 x square by a square. Now that equals to, we can write tan inverse 3x by a plus 2x by a over 1 minus 3x by a into 2x by a. Here tan inverse a plus b over 1 minus ab is tan inverse equals to tan inverse 3x by a plus tan inverse 2x by a. Now this is y. So now differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equals to tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus 9x square by a square. This is tan inverse x formula into, by chain rule, 3x by a is 3 by a plus, here is also tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus 4x square by a square into, for chain rule, 2 by a equals to, then adding a square plus 9x square into 3 by a plus a square by a square plus 4x square into 2 by a cancelled, that is 3a by a square plus 9x square plus 2a by a square plus 4x square. This is dy by dx proved. 3a by a square plus 9x square plus 2a by this. Okay, let's do sum number 10. Question number 10, put x equals to tan theta. Question number 10, x equals to tan theta, put theta equals to tan inverse x. Then y equals to sine inverse 1 by 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta, that is only sec theta, plus tan inverse 1 plus tan sec square theta, that is sec theta minus 1 over tan theta, equals to sine in 1 by sec is cos theta plus tan inverse 1 by cos theta minus 1, that is 1 minus cos theta over sine theta, equals to sine inverse cos theta is sine pi by 2 minus theta plus tan inverse 1 minus cos theta submultiple angle 2 sine square theta by 2, 2 sine square theta by 2 sine theta, 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, 2 cancel, sine theta cancel, that is sine inverse sine theta only theta, that is pi by 2 minus theta is tan inverse x plus tan inverse sine by cos tan theta by 2, that is, you can write theta here, next we change, that is pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 minus theta is tan inverse x plus half into tan inverse x. So then derivating with respect to x, dy by dx equals to minus 1 by 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. That is 2 into 1 plus x square is LCM minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 1 by 2 1 plus x square. That is the dy by value of dy by dx is the answer. In question number 11. Question number 11. Here, put x equals to sine theta. Question number 11. Put x equals to sine theta, then theta equals to sine inverse x, and y equals to sine phi. Then phi equals to sine inverse y. Put it here. Root over of 1 minus sine square to cos square, that is only cos theta, plus 1 minus sine square phi, that is cos square phi, that is only cos phi, equals to a x equals to sine theta minus sine phi. Now, formula cos A plus cos B formula, sine plus sine, sine minus sine, cos plus cos, that is 2 cos, sine cos, cos sine cos cos, cos theta plus phi by 2, cos theta minus phi by 2. Cos A plus cos B, cos A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2. Then A, sin A minus sin B formula, sin plus sin minus, sin cos cos sin, that is cos theta plus phi by 2, sin theta minus phi by 2. Cos theta cancel, 2 cancel. That is cos theta minus phi by 2 by sin theta minus phi by 2 equals to a, that is cot theta minus phi by 2 equals to a, theta minus phi by 2 equals to cot inverse a. 2 is coming right hand side, theta minus cot inverse a. Now put theta is sin inverse x, phi is sin inverse y, equals to 2 cot inverse a, where a is constant. Now differentiating respect to x, sin inverse derivative is 1 by root over 1 minus x square minus sin inverse y root over of 1 minus y square for y dy by dx equals to 0. Then dy by dx equals to dy by dx equals to root over of 1 minus y square by root over of 1 minus x square. That is proved. This is coming here right hand side. We can step implies minus 1 by root over of 1 minus y square dy by dx equals to minus root over of 1 minus x square. This might cancel. Then dy by dx root over of 1 minus y square by root over of 1 minus x square. That is all over root over of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. That is proved. Root over of 1 minus x square, 1 minus y square, 1 minus x square. Proved. Next to sum number 12. Question number 12, we can write y by b equals to this. you have to prove, we have to find dy by dx. We can write question number 12, y by b equals to tan inverse x by a plus tan inverse y by a. Question number 12. Then tan inverse will left hand, that is tan y by b equals to x by a plus tan inverse y by a. Now differentiating respect to x, tan theta derivative sec square theta, that is sec square y by b. Then y by b different respect to y, that is y by b dy by dx. Tan theta derivative sec square theta, then y by b derivative 1 by y by 1 by b constant y dy by dx equals to, it is 1 by a x by a derivative plus 1 by 1 plus y square by a square, tan inverse x derivative, then u by v y by a, y by x, this is y by x, this is y by x. There is x square x dy by dx minus y into 1. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square, then y by x division, x square x constant, y derivative minus y constant x derivative, implies 1 by b sec square y by b dy by dx equals to 1 by a plus, it is y square by x square. X square will go off, that is x square by x square plus y square into x dy by dx minus y over x square. This and this cancelled. Now take dy by dx common. Dy by d implies dy by dx is common, that is 1 by b sec square y by x, this into this, minus x by x square plus y square equals to 1 by a, this with this multiplication, minus y by x square plus y square. Then dy by dx equals to 1 by a minus y over x square plus y square over 1 by b sec square y by b minus x by x square plus y square. That is the dy by dx, value of the, that is the dy by dx. Next question number 13. Question number 13, y equals to this, you have to prove dy by dx. Here we can write question number 13, x equals to y by sine a plus y, because we have to find sine square a plus y. You have to do like this, because if you division, the derivative division y by x derivative, then square will come, then dx differentiating respect to y, differentiating with respect to y, that is dx by dy equals to this different respect to y, that is dy by dy, then sine square a plus y whole square, sine square a plus y, then sine a plus y is constant, y derivative dy by dy, dy by dy, that is 1 minus y constant sin theta derivative cos a plus y for y, a plus y derivative that is 1. Then equals to sin a plus y minus y cos a plus y over sin square a plus y. This is dx by dy, but you have to find dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx will be reciprocal, that is sin square a plus y by sin a plus y minus y cos a plus y. That is proved. Next question number 14. Next question number 13. Next question number 14. Question number 14, we have to do like this. Question number 14, then y equals to log of root over of 1 plus x square minus x by square root of x square plus 1. That is u by v. Difference in respect to x. dy by dx equals to square root of x square plus 1 এর whole square. Division and derivative. That is square root of x square plus 1 constant. Differentiation of this means 1 by root over of x 1 plus x square log x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square minus x. This is constant log x derivative 1 by x into its derivative 1 by 2 root over of 1 plus x square into this 2x minus 1. Then minus log of that's why dy by dx root over of x square plus 1 এর whole square. There is root over of x square plus 1 constant. Log x derivative, that is 1 by root over of 1 plus x square minus x into log x derivative. Then by chain rule, division of this 1 by 2 root over of 1 plus x square. For x square, this will be 2x minus 1. Minus log of root over of 1 plus x square minus x is constant. Derivative of denominator 1 by 2 root over of x square plus 1, and for 2x chain rule x square derivative 2x. Okay, then this square will become right hand side, that is x square plus 1 whole square will be removed, dy by dx. Now this 2 cancelled, 2 cancelled. Now multiply this with this, that is root over of x square plus 1, this with this, x square plus 1, first do add subtraction, 1 by root over of 1 plus x square minus x, this will be x minus root over of 1 plus x square by square root of 1 plus x square minus and this with this multiplication should be this is constant, derivative of this plus this is constant derivative of this minus log of root over of 1 plus x square minus x into x by root over of 1 plus x square. Now this is constant derivative of this plus this is constant derivative of this. Now multiply this with this and this will be cancelled. That is minus 1 by root over of 1 plus this and this cancelled and this will be cancelled. That is minus 1. That is minus 1 minus, look here, y equals to this. That is xy minus xy. This is x and value of this is y. Log 1 plus x minus this by this equals to y. Then x square plus 1 dy by dx plus xy plus 1 equals to 0. That is proved. Next question number 15. Question number 15. Infinity. So we can write question number 15, y equals to root x to the power y, because this is again root x, this to the power root x dot 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 infinity. So if this is also y, so that is y equals to x to the power y by 2. Then log y equals to y by 2 log x. Then 2 log y equals to y log x. Now differentiating respect to x, 2y derivative 1 by y dy by dx equals to y constant x derivative 1 by x log x derivative 1 by x plus log x constants y derivative dy by dx. Now take dy by dx common. 2 by y minus log x equals to y by x. That is dy by dx. 2 minus y log x equals to y square by x. Y square by x. Then x is coming here. That is x dy by dx equals to y square by 2 minus y log x. Good. Okay, next question number 16. Question number 16, you have to prove dy by dx is y by x. Taking log both sides, question number 16, p log x plus q log y, p log x plus q log y equals to x plus p plus q log of x plus y. Taking log both sides, now differentiating, p log x derivative 1 by x plus q 1 by y dy by dx equals to p plus q log x plus derivative 1 by x plus y bracket 1 plus dy by dx. P plus q constant log x derivative 1 by x plus y and x plus y derivative 1 plus dy by dx. That is p plus q over x plus y plus p plus q over x plus y into dy by dx. Taking dy by dx common, q by y minus p plus q by x plus y equals to p plus q by x plus y minus p by x. Then dy by dx, taking LCM, y x plus y, qx plus qy minus py equals to, here is x plus y, px plus qx minus px minus py. Px cancel, qy cancel. Then dy by dx, qx minus py by y into x plus y equals to qx minus py by x into x plus y. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. Therefore, dy by dx equals to y by x root. Okay, now please make a note of these sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.